Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you GBP yen analysis from a fundamental and a technical perspective. We are going to look at the fundamental perspective. What do we have from the economic calendar? On Tuesday, during the early hours of European morning, we have the CPI data from Tokyo. Consumer price index, it was 3.3% during the previous month. And the consumer price index ex food and energy, it was 3.8%. We don't have the market consensus. As you can see, this is empty. However, these numbers will come out tomorrow morning. We have to be careful because the Bank of Japan may send also any signal. So it is not related only with the indicators. This is very strong economic indicator that the market is already waiting, but it is also related with any comment from the Bank of Japan. This is the first one that we need to focus for this week. And the second one will be on February, December 8th. GDP data from Japan again. We can see that it is not expected any increase on the GDP data for the quarterly data. It was minus 0.5% and it is expected minus 0.5% again. Related to the technical perspective, as we have seen, the price already tested multi-month high here. This was the top that it was created during this month. It was also a very speculative move. It was not related with anything at all. It was related only with the fact that the Bank of Japan is not intervening in the market. So this is the topic with the yen pairs. On the other hand, during the mid of November, the price created this candle, as you can see from the chart, moved down and created a new top. It was showing like a possible increase. However, it is moving down again. And as you can see on a 4-hour chart, the price is resuming the bearish move again. Considering that we have the CPI data and the GDP data and the fact that the Japanese economy is already doing well, but let's hope that they will change the yield curve control. If the price will stay in this area here, probably below this structure zone, it is a solid structure zone, let's say, because the price reacted several times and it is close to the top as well. We may see a possible correction up to this area between these two zones. The first one is 186 and the second one is 187. If we see a possible pullback for the price that will test this area, it is likely that it can move down further after that correction. However, we can never rule out the possibility that after this small breakout, because the price is showing a bearish move, it can also continue moving down from this point. However, it is not clear as a situation or how aggressive the market can move, because this is related with the Bank of Japan. They are not transparent at all because they are not intervening in the market as they promised several times, and this is one of the reasons why the market pushed the price in this zone here and another one here during the previous months. So this is a very strong reason. If we are going to see any possible bullish move, it can happen and probably it can be up to the top of the structure. So for the moment, this is the maximum pullback that can happen before the price moves down further. We should not forget that during the previous year, approximately on November and December, the Bank of Japan intervened in the market and they can do the same thing again. So let's be careful, but this is a potential trading scenario for GBP yen that I'm looking so far. From GBP, as I remember, we don't have anything interesting for this week. It was almost empty. So we don't have any economic indicator. These are very soft data for all the days. Also for Thursday, we don't have anything yet. GBP data. Also for Friday. So consumer price, consumer inflation expectation. So this is important. Let's see, but this is after the news that we have from Japan. So let's see what is going to happen. Only the yen pairs have the priority this time with the fundamental perspective. So that's all for GBP yen. So far, this is showing for a bigger bearish move, and it is likely that it can happen. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis related with GBP yen. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you so much. Bye bye.